Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 moving averages on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert. Click on it, Indicators, Trend, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period, type 20. And you have here the method. You can choose any method, but for this video, we'll choose simple. Okay, a simple moving average. We have here style, the color. You can change it if you want, and you have here the thickness. You can also change it if you want. Click on OK, and as you can see here, this is the 20 moving average. Now let's add the 50 moving average. Insert, indicator, trend, and moving average again on period type 50. Method, I will keep it on simple, but the color, I will change it, for example, to white. Okay. The thickness, I will keep it and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 moving average, and this one is our 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.